They're realtors, so yes, say yes, please.
All right. Good morning. What's going on? You're cruising? Starting to sprinkle a little bit, or mist, I guess. So before people start leaving, let's get the live going. 66 Galaxy. This car is really, really nice. Let's walk around this guy. Look like the black solid steel wheels on it. Beautiful under the hood. What's up, guys? Beautiful car.
Really high-end luxury car starting at $250,000. Yeah, like a Lamborghini. People who are buying them, they don't.
Got Rich's truck. Morning from Wisconsin. I wanted to come over here and check out this Thunderbird. Got my Oldsmobile buddy. If you're a Thunderbird fan, this bad boy is really nice. Cool color too. What's going on, Tom? How you doing? Good. Yeah, it has been a while. Beautiful 57 Thunderbird. I think this is the removable top Thunderbird. Looks like it is. What was the first year they made the Thunderbird? Is that 55? Morning from New Zealand. Pedro. Morning. Starting to mist pretty good, but I think we'll be okay. You know what? Probably until about a year ago, I wasn't really a giant fan of the Thunderbird, honestly, but there's a couple people here that have them, and they've kind of educated me about Thunderbirds and showed me different things about them, and the more I've looked at them, the more I liked them. That's kind of how any classic car is. The more you learn about them, the kind of the cooler they become. All the little quirks, all the different features. There's a gentleman here that has one that has a sunroof. One of the first years they made a sunroof for him, which is kind of cool. This one's exceptionally clean and nice. I like the color of this one too. It's kind of a brownish, yellowish, something-ish. Really nice. You got a 502 big block, 55, 56 Chevy right next to it. Good morning from Fort Lauderdale. Really nice Chevy truck right next to it. Wizard gang rolling in, hot. What's going on, guys? There's our crew. Let's come back over and check this out. I really like this. It's got a 5.3 LS in it.
Reset it, and it reset. It wasn't allowed to run limp mode. They just idled it. We already checked the computer.
Wheels. See, it took him. The gentleman that owns it, I didn't get his name actually, was saying it took him a little while to find the seats for this. I always like these Suburbans. Really nice. This one's cool. It's all patinaed out. LS, got a decent stance on it. Actually drives it, gets in and drives it anywhere. Really nice. Oops, sorry about that, excuse me. You gotta love the little mini Honda fire truck. That's cool. I don't know what the story with that one is.
I've never touched the 45. We've had 40, we've had 50. This is my second vendor. We have 200, had 200. She has that one. I can't remember what else we got. Oh, but our FJ60, over 500,000 miles in the original. Yeah, we left her on the Big Island though because I smog shit off and it just wasn't. My buddy loved it, so I just.
Super.
I didn't want to deal with all that smog bullshit.
Yeah, the 60s had a lot of smog on it.
Oh yeah, dude, ridiculous. So what year is?
It's a 66.
66. So when you say the first, like it's legally imported.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
1,500.
Rainy day. I thought that this was a Honda, but it is a Subaru. Interesting. Huh. Morning.
Check the lights.
67.
Are you the Derelict guy that's on Facebook?
I am.
Oh, because I follow it all the time. I always wonder who was behind the camera.
It's me, Steve.
Hey,
What's your name?
Bob Mello.
Very nice to meet you, Bob.
I follow you. You see my name on there.
Awesome. Cool.
I'm taking the grandson here for the first time.
Awesome. Cool.
So
Cruising around. It's kind of misty this morning.
yeah. I thought maybe with the rain, some people wouldn't take their cars out. You know.
Yeah. It seems that there's still people here.
What's
though.
your name?
Steve.
Steve.
Yeah.
Good to meet you, Steve.
You too.
Anyway, thanks for all the great. I've got a friend in England
Uh huh.
who I've never met actually, but he's a friend of a friend.
Uh huh.
And he follows you guys all the time too. As a matter of fact, I sent him a Donut Derelicts hat.
Nice.
He was in heaven. So, but he grew up. He spent a lot of time when he was a kid, like 5 or 6 years when he was a kid, in the United States. And then the whole family moved back to London, or to England, wherever the heck he's from.
Oh, okay.
But he's an old guy like me now. So.
That's funny.
But anyway.
What have you walked around this morning that you've seen that you like a lot?
Well, I liked the split window coupe. That was pretty impressive. You don't see too many of those.
Okay.
And I don't know, man. I like a little bit of everything. You know, I mean,
Yeah.
I grew up in this era, so it's
Yeah.
it just brings you back. It's so nostalgic.
Yeah.
You know,
Just anything's cool.
but yeah, my friend in England, his name is Barry Williams.
Barry Williams. Okay.
So, anyway, Steve, thank you so much. Sorry to
You
bother
got
you.
no, not at all. It's very nice to meet you.
All right, take care.
See ya. Jason Trick, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
You look very mischievous over here.
I always am.
Very mischievous.
You're getting more gadgets on that thing than.
I
Look
know.
at that. It's like
You look very.
It's alive.
What are you doing over here? You look like you're breaking something.
We're
the
trying
law.
to.
The law. Nice job.
Steve looks very, very mischievous, that's for sure. Ooh, there's a fellow Oldsmobilian over here. And it's next to the counterpart, the Chevelle, which is kind of cool. I'm gonna go talk to this gentleman. Looks like he's busy. But this is kind of cool because very similar colors. You got the Oldsmobile version of the Chevelle. Kind of cool. Breaking the law. Joel, what's going on? You trying to stay dry over here?
Hey now. Just not feeling all up to par today.
No, I'm sorry to hear that. Really nice Mach 1. Still misting a little bit. People wiping the cars down. Really nice Pontiac. I think these are the multi-lug or 6-lug wheels too. Or 8 lugs. Wow. Wow.
This dog is very interesting.
I definitely do not see this with the shell on it. It's kind of interesting. The J20. Very cool Pontiac, that's for sure, yeah. The J20. Interesting. Got the Patina Cougar. Cool Cougar. I like the Cougar because they're kind of a oddball vehicle.
And, you know, it was a great
I don't know if oddball is the right word, but kind of a, you know, car that not everybody really liked or wanted. And they made way less of them. Let's go check out the Myers Mink stuff.
I'm not sure. Actually, a representative from radio.
Myers Minks.
It's a real, all of these are real Myers things. I work for Myers. So this is one of the last classic bodies. So you can buy
Wow, this one looks like it's got a Subaru motor in it. Anthony braving the wild. What's going on? Morning, sir.
Good morning. How you doing?
What's going on, guys? How you doing? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Nice to see you guys.
Good day.
Doing good?
Yeah.
Trying to
Beautiful day.
keep dry?
Yeah.
A little bit? All right.
Hey, what's going on?
What's up, party people? Nice to see you guys.
Another day in paradise.
Yep. You guys are looking beautiful as always. I mean, I don't know about you, but I mean, you're borderline.
That's good. That's a good answer. Thank you. I don't meet your criteria. I was like, look at this is the one you like, the short, portly guy.
You don't know my criteria is. It might be real low.
You're saying he's a happy camper?
Looking good, looking good.
At least.
Got the AMX. As long as it's running, bring it. The gentleman over there that had that Suburban had a very, very good point. And his point was, might have 10 cars, but if none of them are running, that's a problem. Good morning, Theory from Paris. What's up? What's up? Nice to see you again. You know, for having a gloomy day where it's misty, a decent amount of people cruising around. Yeah, that's fun. Cool wagon. This gentleman's come a couple times. I really like the wheels he's running too.
You're still young, yeah.
What's up, man? This thing's nice, huh?
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah.
I've been digging wagons lately a lot.
Oh yeah? Uh-oh, that's not good.
Yeah.
That's not good. Yeah, this is a good looking wagon. This is a similar color to your car, or is this
similar? It's similar for sure. Yeah, mine's
It's a little lighter.
yeah,
huh?
it's lighter. And I don't, to be honest, dude, I don't know because I don't know who painted mine. It's pretty close to the Marina Blue for 67, and I think 65's blue must have a different name, or 66, and because it's a little lighter, you know.
Oh, okay,
But
yeah.
yeah. So I don't know what they call this one.
Yeah.
But this is probably, it's probably close, or you know what I mean, to whatever the original thing was.
Yeah, and you know, that's what's funny is like, I love hearing all those colors from different years because they made the weirdest fucking names.
It's crazy. I was
It's like this is Aqua Mist, neat, whatever.
I was buying house paint. I didn't even realize some of those things were in house paint. It's ridiculous, dude.
Yeah.
Because I have this like off-white kind of yellow, and my neighbor's all, he's probably blah blah blah, and I'm like, what? And I go to Ace, and sure as shit he was
He
right.
knew.
And I'm like, are you fucking kidding me, Rick? I'm like,
Dude, the old guys always know.
Yeah, I'm like, he is my go-to guy. Dude. I'm like, and his wife's just laughing. Oh, that's Rick. I'm like, dude, you are just a walking just computer, you know. And it's like some off the wall name, and I'm like, it's off-white, you know.
You're like, that's off-white. He's like, no, that's, you know, blah blah blah. You're like, how the fuck do you know these
It's so
names?
ridiculous. I can't remember.
That's funny. Yeah,
The weather's
it's.
getting old, dude. It's drizzle, you know?
I know, it's like super misty mist. Yeah, it's weird. Let's go over and look at Anthony's car. He just rolled in 67. Man, I just forget what year his car is. I think it's a 67. You tell me. 67? I'm sure. Just did a bunch of suspension stuff to his car. Got those wheels on it. Yeah, 67, right? Yeah. Okay. You know, because I'm always willing to be wrong. For sure. Yep, there you go. Provided the back license plate's a 67, I'm going to go ahead and say it's a 67. And it has the most important thing right here. Boom, boom, boom. The dice. The die. Maybe the die? Is there two? Oh, I guess there's only one. Let's verify. Is there only one die? Or is there dice? Looks like there's only one. Oh, only one. I know some people freak out about me touching other people's cars, but I know Anthony, and he's cool, so I did touch his car though, so. Fastest way to ID the hood, the 66 is very different. Oh, okay, good to know.
Manual transmission.
Yeah. That's automatic.
Two-door Chevelle wagon. Wow. I do love a 64, 65. Cool wagon. Really nice. I do love those wagons. Really cool. Awesome. Morning.
Morning, how you doing?
Cool wagon.
Thank you very much.
A 64, 65, somewhere in there? That's the first year they made this body style, right? Or the first year they made them at all, right?
This 64 is the first of this body style.
Yeah.
Yes.
Cool. Very nice.
It's the two-door wagon. They made about 1,000, I think.
I was going to say they didn't make very many of them, right?
Yeah, not so many.
Yeah. Really nice.
Have a good day, sir.
Yeah, see ya. Very nice. This guy right here is a troublemaker. Always causing trouble over here. This guy. This guy's always causing trouble. Always breaking people's cars, causing trouble, messing around. He can't even hear me. He's messing around.
I can't risk it. It's too painful. Well, yeah.
All right. Let's see here what else we can find in the Corvette aisle.
Yeah, that's exactly what they've got too. I'll go get a loan today.
Bill, hearing issues too. Well, that was funny, Bill. Good job. You didn't know you signed up for a comedy show too, huh? This is nice. I really like, I know we're just talking about colors. This is one of my favorite colors, is this kind of, I don't know what color this is called. Again, we were talking about colors earlier. What color this would be called. Yeah, no, you know what, for it being drizzly and kind of overcast and ugly this morning, pretty good turnout. I really like this copper dull gold, I guess. I don't know what you would call it, but I like this color. Victor from Vegas, what's going on?
They all get.
Oh, 58. Yeah, I think it's a 58. Actually,
Ooh.
and he's taking it to a couple shops.
Let's go over and check out the El Camino. This is a nice El Camino too. Light tan? That's a good guess. Dude, I love these Batwing El Caminos. Excuse me.
I wonder if it came with the big block.
That was all him.
It's a custom car, right?
I don't know, it's a good question. That's a good question.
Probably no way to tell on the VIN on these.
I don't know.
There's no like center line when I was making this, so like there's like little.
Yeah, he likes doing design stuff. That was besides all
This is my buddies in Massachusetts.
It's so pretty.
It's like really crazy.
Yeah, that one's really nice.
Dude, why don't you drive that more? It's so fun looking. I look how badass it is.
But it's hard to find these parts if you need to ever do
Is-
one of these.
What year is this?
60.
60? Oh, okay.
yeah.
Well, let's find out. Let's find out. Hey, how much is your ugly Impala? Or your ugly El Camino, sorry.
Stop.
55? Yes.
I was just fucking with it. It's really pretty.
Thank you.
I like it.
That's nice.
Yeah, you're good.
Like selling it.
He asked, I was just fucking with it.
Space.
Yeah, just something.
Space. Yeah. Yeah, working on a truck right now, and it's in the shop. It should be out in another couple weeks, so especially after that, yeah.
Paycheck, yeah.
Yeah. Every time I see this thing, I'm like, dude, that thing's so pretty.
How long you got it?
A couple years or
Yeah, it's probably pushing on to a couple years now, yeah.
Yeah.
It's been a while since I've taken it out.
It's such a good looking car though. It's really nice. Somebody had asked, did those originally come with big blocks?
Yeah. Yeah, not all of them, but there's some, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Huh.
Want me to hold your hand?
Yeah, it's such a nice car.
Go hold down your hand.
Really, really nice.
Got it. Sweet too.
I really like that one you had for a while too. Was that the same year as this?
No, mine was a 59.
A 59, okay. What was the first year they made this body style?
59.
59. Because they only made this 59, 60?
I'm not a huge El Camino fan, but I like that.
348. It's got AC, it's bagged.
That's nice. Because you had some accessories.
Man. Really pretty.
Little things you find that, oops.
Really, really, really pretty.
Which one? I have the Macafros of my Camaro. They're really mellow. You hardly hear them when the car is like idling. You hardly hear them. So when you get on it. Yeah, right. Because I got bolt-ons on my Nova, and if you get on it, oh
man. 55 he said he wants for it. Let's get the number in there if you're interested. 55 is what he said he's interested in getting for it. Good looking car. Yeah, me too. Really nice.
Yep.
I like it. Excuse me, sir.